Hey guys, what's up? I haven't talked to you guys for a while, but you can see I got her back. $4,500 later, rebuilt transmission. I don't know what it looks like under here, but we should definitely look under here while we're here. Let's look under here. It said it's rebuilt. It's under there. Definitely tell they took this shit apart. Here's the other drivetrain mechanism. It's all greasy. Make it fucking greasy. I can smell grease when I'm driving it. Oh shit. I didn't realize my battery is getting close to the shit. I need to get this up out of the way. Oh, we're gonna have to take a look at that. Put it on there. Everything else is holding on pretty good. You see down here. I better fucking move it down here. That's where I had it. Still holding on here. Still holding on there. I want to zip strip that there though. There's my new rebuilt tranny. Fucking stinks. Like that converter toward booty, it looks like. I can't tell if it's torn. You see. Looks torn to me. I hope these fuckers didn't screw shit up. It looks like that booty's supposed to be. I don't know, man. They definitely have fingerprints all over the shaft. Fucking dirty. Oh, man. I don't like the fact that booty's torn there. Fucking tore that. Maybe you have to tear it to get into it. I don't fucking know. Alright, guys. Paid $4,500 fucking dollars. Shouldn't have torn linkage booty. I don't know. Shit doesn't make me feel happy. It looks like there's. Is there a bolt missing here? No. No, it's supposed to be like that. I don't know, man. There's all kinds of fucking grease over there for some reason. Let's go over there and look. I don't like the fact that there's grease everywhere over there either. Hold on. I don't know what all this fucking grease is. That sort of worries me. Let's see what this shaft looks like. Oh, man. What the fuck is this? We're gonna know if it leaks. If it fucking leaks, we got an issue. Because it never leaked before, ever. Oh. Damn. I didn't know it was hit there. Holy fuck. It was fucking crushed. I haven't seen that. Damn. That fucker was hit hard there. I wonder what happened. That was before I got it. Damn. Huh. It literally looks like it bent the fucking frame. Wow. That's the gas tank. Huh. That's probably the fuel filter right there. These lines look a little crispy. Not too bad, but not too great either. I can't believe I haven't noticed this. Well, that's where it's rusting. It's rusting back there. Whatever. Alright. I'm gonna go. Peace out. I had to take it back once already because they had to adjust the linkage. So I hope this doesn't fucking give me a headache. I hope she does me right from here forward. I honestly never knew it was fucking bottomed out there though. That was before I got it. Keep this piece of cardboard back here. I'll make sure this other side wasn't hit. I don't think it was. Oh. No. No, that's a... God damn, is it hot? Is that beauty tour? No. This is straight as can be. Oh. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. Peace.